So this, look at these. Three big names, Tesla, Amazon, Netflix. They will each drop 10% in one single stock market trading session. He's chuckling away on the side. The man who is saying this, predicting this, is none other than Marc Faber. And he is the editor and publisher of, you guessed it, the Gloom, Boom and Doom Report. Welcome to the show, young man.
Well, thank you.
Good to see you.
Nice to see you.
Okay, make your case. You've got these three tech stocks, and you say in a single session, each of them will go down 10%.
Yes.
Why?
Well, you said we met 25 years ago. Yes. I experienced, because I started to work in 1970, I experienced the 87 crash, when not one or two stocks dropped 10% in a day, but the whole market dropped 21% in one day.
Yep.
And other markets overseas didn't even open. They opened 50% lower. Stock markets go up and up and up, and when they go down more rapidly than they went up. And when I started to work, we just hit the 73, 74 bear market. I can tell you, the Polaroids and the Kodaks, the so-called Nifty, the most favorite stocks that everybody owned, they dropped day by day by 90% from peak to trough.
So you're looking back into history,
yes,
and you're saying that when we had a big fallout back
yes,
in the early 1970s,
yes,
the Nifty 50, and you were right, I remember them well, the Kodaks of this world, they're the ones that utterly plunged,
yes,
and you say that, but why
and by
these
the way,
three stocks?
Last year, which was one of the worst performing stocks, the darling Valiant went down more than 90%.
Yeah, but
Adaptus went down 98%.
But there were special circumstances.
Oh, yeah. There's always special circumstances.
Well, okay. Well, what is it that will drive... No, let's get it right. What were the three stocks you got? We had Tesla and...
Or many more. All of them.
Amazon, Netflix.
Okay, deal with Amazon.
Yes.
Why would Amazon drop 10% in a single session? That's about $100 a share drop. Why?
Yes, well, simply because the valuations are very high. It's very, you know, I cannot tell, should Amazon sell at 100 times earnings, 200 times, or 20 times? That we don't know. That will depend on many factors in the world that are outside the influence of Amazon's direct business.
So Marc Faber simply says that these tech companies are wildly overvalued and they're due for a fall. Okay.
Correct.
Now, you also say that President Trump is good for the markets.
Yes.
I'm not used to hearing that from you.
Well,
make that case.
Well, before his election, I was interviewed by Fox, and actually I said Trump would be better for the markets than Hillary Clinton because he's more pro-business. As it turns out, I'm a little bit disappointed that he's an interventionist. You understand? He intervenes into many things. He tweets the whole day with his directives. And, I mean, he has great entertainment value. We love him overseas for the entertainment he provides foreign countries. But I wrote that he would be particularly great for emerging economies and for Europe.
Okay. Where do you live, by the way?
I live in the north of Thailand, in the Golden Triangle.
You do?
Yes, in Chiang Mai. Yes.
What?
Yes, you do.
I was in Chiang Mai in about 1970, whatever it was. I don't care to remember.
But I have an office in Hong Kong, and I lived 30 years in Hong Kong.
So are you an American citizen?
No, I'm a Swiss citizen.
So, you're a Swiss citizen, you're a European, you live in northern Thailand, and you come over here to New York City, and you sit on my set, and you undermine the Amazons of this world, the Teslas of this world.
Well, I write about this all the time.
I know you do.
I mean, the point is, between October 99 and March 2000, the NASDAQ more than doubled.
Yes, it did.
And I remember this very well because I was short and I was taken to the cleaners. And a bubble, you just don't know where it stops. Is Tesla fully valued today or at twice the price?
Okay.
I think it will be a zero, personally.
But the NASDAQ just hit another all-time high.
Yes, I believe
Faber,
you. It will continue to hit new hies until bang, it will cross.
We do things fast here in New York.
Yes.
We get on with it.
Yes, yes.
Faber, you're all right. I've got to leave you.
Okay,
Thanks very much for joining us.
Bye-bye.
Good luck, sir.